This is a Europa latch lock, door lock. What happened here is this got loose actually because of not using properly. So I just want to open it and tight this. So for that I will have to open these three screws and these two screws. So let's see how to do that. So for opening the lock you will need a screwdriver like this. So using this screwdriver we will try to solve this problem. So I am opening these screws. So it was not very tightened, so it got opened very easily. So same way I will open these screws also. Using screwdrivers, I open these screws. I use screws. So now these are getting open with hand also. So I will remove these screws. So two are bigger from this side. So I will keep them properly. So I will keep them properly on the side. So these are the two. And these three screws also I will remove. Removed all the screws and now I can take it out. So in this way this has been taken out. So this is a latch. So here you can view that these screws have got loosened actually. Because of that it was getting loose. So I will make these screws tight. I will tight these screws. So to solve that losing problem, I am tightening these screws. Once you loosen these screws by pressing this from the front side, you can take this outside. So this has been like this. So I will have to see what exactly the problem. So while tightening these two screws, this one and this one, you have to hold it from the back side actually. Otherwise the front portion will fall down. So you have to take that care while tightening this screw. I tighten both the screws, so you have to keep it horizontal, and some numbering is there 45, 40, 35, 30. That you have to keep it horizontal and should be visible. Now I will fit this bracket. I will fit this above it. So you will have to match this hole with this plate, and as per that you will have to fit it, and you will have to fit these two screws and these three screws. At first you make it horizontal, perfectly horizontal, then you put it and match the hole and put it like this, and then tighten the screws properly. I put the screws. You can put it in the start, you can put it by hand also. just rotate it, and once it is not possible to rotate by hand, then you can tighten it using screwdriver. So I will put the 5 screws. Now I will tighten it with screwdriver. Tightening the screws with screwdriver, don't tighten once screw completely. Actually, tighten them step by step. So I tighten them up to this step, and same way here also. So don't tighten one screw directly. So step by step you have to tighten them. So whatever is the gap, same gap I have keep here also, and try to keep it on this side also, below also. So after that I will tighten this by inside by some 1 2 mm, and again same way I will tighten, and in the final I will tighten it fully so that it will fit properly. Tighten it keeping around 1 to 1.5 mm remaining there. So I tightening is step by step. I am not tightening one screw completely and remaining all the other outside. So step by step you have to do like that, then only it will fit properly. So now after full tightening you can view that it is not getting slide. Now it is not loose, it has been tightened properly after I tighten the internal screws. So in this way you can open your already install Europa lock and fix it again back. So thank you.